how to unenroll from Google Classroom. In this video, I'll show you how to unenroll from Google Classroom. So to get started, go ahead and open your Google Classroom and make sure that you are a student to be able to do this, to be able to unenroll from a class. So on Google Classroom, go ahead and sign into your Google Classroom account. And then once you're signed in, go ahead and click on this three dots at the bottom right of that specific class where you want to unenroll. So from here, click on unenroll. And as you can see, this confirmation notification will pop on your screen. So you need to confirm this action by clicking on unenroll, and you will be removed from this class and all of your files will remain in Google Drive. But this action is unreversible, which means that once you have left this class, you cannot join this class again unless this specific teacher has sent you the class code or the invite link for this class. And that is how you can basically unenroll from Google Classroom. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.